Rakakaraya rakue ya shamalaba uaya biara yaro yororo diara dia mama makaru koruk arasik ekarai rishiana dia ba shamalaba ukokare eresik eresik got sharai tuai nisia da chia mababa mbori akareshiarai ukoruk akaresik erai sharuk zerik akaini ala baba we diana shia baba ako ni karayisha radia mama ya kore risha mababa yara kukore ni yara sai kakareshik ekare urukokoro so much releasing from the heart. Mikarak akarisik arashkarukokoko what no longer serves. Rik ekarai merei arashemiabam hatiana keye haniabao atsikiniana habae antikinia habe antikinian habe lisikie baby umbabo sondo likeriana la baeovi hambi obey lisia babe niaratai shabalaba mberato kuru arasikirati yarata karai sharato kumarati ke karai yarai zoro setias mai shababaya baya ui hambeo lesha Shape matale sao veo sei meshima baba miatue aratakarashini ata yatai unkoe sharania Ataratariera taratiera taratue kakai rishana balebe ateni karata kai toai shamalai ni kanya zerati korato siarai. We have arrived. Akumbia bay I obey mi semiambaeo. So much love. Wrapped in this beautiful white light. Arini eratoe ni karatae shimiabao. Rishelabale siniatakana dia baba weshiama. Miatatata hikeratale yara wambe koelia tokore. Serai sheme baby. Atere atarete aratarata. We thank you for choosing to come back here. Aratania, to anchor in, to raise this frequency. Yara, yaron barato. We are doing beautifully. Arashini kara, it may seem dark right now, but aratirata yarato komoniana. I know a lot of you can feel it. Some can't because they're still stuck in their mind. They're numbing themselves. But those that know what I'm talking about, you can feel it. The rise in the consciousness, the frequency that we all have been holding. I thank y'all. It is not easy. It ain't easy. You are powerful. We are all powerful. We are one. One love, y'all. One love.